Hello and welcome to the Current Affairs Prime Time. This is the Current Affairs Show and I am Kush. Let's see the first headline. The Election Commission of India will celebrate the 7th National Voters' Day across the country today for enhanced participation of citizens in this electoral process. Now, 25th January is also the foundation day of the Election Commission, which came into being in the year 1950. Next headline. The Chief Election Commissioner (CEC) of India, Naseem Zaidi, informed that the state government of Goa has opted for an initiative involving electronic transmission of postal ballots service voters in the upcoming assembly polls. Now, this facility would allow the service voters, that is, who are either in defense, in paramilitary or other diplomatic purposes, to download the postal vote, cast their vote and send it via email to the returning officer. So now those people could also vote. This is a good change by the Goa government. Next headline. In a move to decrease dependence on vegetable imports from India, the Nepal government has launched a 10-year plan to boost domestic production. Now, according to this report, the region imports vegetable worth 55 billion rupees every year from India. Export has increased, but it is negligible in retrospect of the imports from India. Next headline. In US, the Senate has confirmed Nikki Haley as the next ambassador to the UN, making her the first Indian American to serve on a cabinet rank position in any presidential administration. Now, Haley, who will replace Samantha Power at the UN, has already created history by becoming the first woman Indian American governor of a state. Now, after Bobby Jindal of Louisiana, she is the only second Indian American to be elected as a governor of a state. Next headline. Former Australian cricketers Matthew Hayden and David Boon have been inducted into the Australian Cricket Hall of Fame. Now, the awards were given along with the Allan Border medal that was given to David Warner, and also the T20 Player of the Year was awarded to the retired player of Australia, Shane Watson. Next headline. Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro has awarded the first ever Hugo Chavez Prize for Peace and Sovereignty to the popular and infamous Russian President Vladimir Putin. Next headline. The draw for the 2018 FIFA World Cup finals hosted by Russia will take place in the Kremlin, the country's football union RFU chief Vitaly Mutko stated. Now, as per this headline, Russia will host the 2018 World Cup in 12 stadiums across 11 cities, including Moscow, St. Petersburg, Kazan and Sochi. Next headline. Virat Kohli became the fastest batsman in the world to score 1,000 runs as captain in one-dayers on January 22, 2017 in the third ODI against England at the Eden Gardens. Now let's have a recap of all the headlines. National Voters' Day being observed today. Goa, first state to send postal ballots electronically to service voters. Nepal launches 10-year plan to reduce depending on India vegetable imports. Nikki Haley confirmed as new US envoy to UN. Matthew Hayden inducted into Australian Cricketer Hall of Fame. Venezuela awards Peace Prize to Russia President Vladimir Putin. Let's proceed further. Kremlin to host 2018 FIFA World Cup finals, and Virat becomes the fastest batsman to score 1,000 runs as ODI captain. Now let's have a review via our headlines quiz. National Voters' Day is observed on. The answer is, it is 25th of January. Name the state which has become the first state to send postal ballots electronically to service voters recently. And the answer, it is Goa. Name the country which has launched a 10-year plan to reduce depending on India for vegetable import recently. And the answer, it is Nepal. Who has been confirmed as the next ambassador to the UN recently? The answer, it is Nikki Haley. Let's move forward. Name the place in Russia in which FIFA hosting the World Cup Finals 2018. The answer is, it is Kremlin. Who has been renowned with the Peace Prize by Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro recently? It is Mr. Vladimir Putin. Let's move forward. Name the world's fastest batsman who has scored 1,000 runs as a captain in ODIs. It has to be Virat Kohli. Now let's have the full forms. CAMELS, capital adequacy, asset quality, management, earnings, liquidity, controls and systems. These are the full forms of CAMELS. CMB stands for Cash Management Bill. PAN stands for Permanent Account Number, FIMMDA stands for Fixed Income Money Market Derivatives, and Association of India. Now let's have the winners and the next full forms. Full forms that you have to answer: BCSBI, TRI, GDR, MMTC and PMGKY. And the winners: Bineet Poddar, Aarti Sharma and Shardul Borkar. The latter two people are the winners that have won this particular full form championship the maximum times. So with this, we come to an end to our discussion of the 25th January headlines. Thank you so much. This is Kush signing out from the Current Affairs Show. Thank you so much. Peace out.